Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Solinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We're going to do a full update. There's enough to talk about, I would say. I mean, in terms of price movements, I mean, yesterday, when I made the video, we had some bullish momentum, but apart from that, what we've mostly been doing is consolidating. All right. So obviously, it's Sunday. Usually, Sunday is quite volatile, but it's also the start of a new week. And the start of a new week can be very, very volatile and can sometimes also be a point of reversal, all right? And that is interesting because obviously right now, if you look at the market as a whole, if you look at the daily time frame, for example, you could still see, or you could still say that this market is bearish and that we will drop down lower. So I would say the next like 3 days are the main test for that, all right? Because right now, and I've said this yesterday as well, I'm quite bullish on Bitcoin. All right, so let me quickly refresh this chart. But if you look at the momentum we've gained in the last couple of days, even though yesterday, or at least over the course of last night, we did lose some of that. If you look at that initial gain we had from, when was that? Friday into Saturday. Usually when you see a gain like that, it continues with more bullish momentum, all right? More than just like 3-4 days of bullish momentum. So that's one of the reasons why I'm bullish. And then apart from that, right now, if you look at the technicals, the last 24 hours, we've mostly been hitting that resistance level at 64,000, which technically on the daily time frame is a very strong level, as you can see right here. There's 100% some sort of a key level there. But then apart from that, you also have the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. In general, a very strong level. So it's not even that weird that we lose some momentum from that level. But the truth remains is that the last time we've seen a spot CVD like this, a positive spot CVD like this, was the 19th of April, which was right here. And even then, the bullish momentum also started on Friday, continued at least until Tuesday. All right, so I do on the short term expect some bullish momentum because it's Sunday and also because of the market structure, to be fair, and also because of the technicals. I do think we're going to get some sort of a pullback. But for me, the most likely scenario still remains a bullish one. All right, so heading for 65,500 and 66,500. All right, but the big question is can we, for the next couple of days, actually hold the support levels we broke above? All right, so for example, if you look at the chart right now, and I've said this yesterday as well, we broke above 61, we broke above 62,200. The 100 EMA right here has been holding us up for the last 24 hours. Can we hold those levels? All right, right now, like I said, I think it's quite likely, especially because the volume across the markets right now has dropped down quite low, right? So the volume for Bitcoin right now is 19 billion or a little bit under $20 billion, whereas on Friday, I think it was 50 billion. Or was this Friday? It was the 2nd of May. No, it was Thursday. So on Thursday, the volume was 50 billion, right? So what's probably going to happen is that new volume is going to enter the markets. That's going to make Bitcoin move. All right, so the main question is all right, well, we get a pullback into 62,000, we get a pullback into 61,500. Can we hold that? And most importantly, and I'll keep you updated on this, of course, most importantly, can we actually see that momentum go up even more? I think that's the most important part. And at this moment, due to the technical breakouts we've gotten and due to the start of that momentum or the start of the momentum on Friday, I think it's most likely that we will find strong support and that we will be able to break above 64,000 in the next couple of days to rally up to, let's say, 66,000, to make it simple. That's what I think is most likely. But it does mean, and I do want you to be careful for this, the Bitcoin dominance right now is very, very, very high, all right? So that means that if Bitcoin gets a pullback like this, that could be very bad for altcoins. So I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Be careful with altcoins, and just in general, don't over leverage yet, all right? Like I said, we still definitely need a couple of more days in bullish momentum if we want to conclude that the market is short-term bullish again, or at least medium-term or long-term bullish again. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.